Welcome to Healthy Future Vision. I'm grateful to share this moment with you. Have you ever felt like every step you take is a small challenge? The cracking sound in your knees, the stiffness in your hands each morning, or that dull, lingering ache that just won't go away? Many people assume these are inevitable signs of aging, but the truth is, your body has a much greater ability to heal itself than you might think, if you know how to activate its natural repair systems. Today, millions of Americans silently struggle with arthritis and cartilage degeneration. Yet, with just 3 essential minerals and a few simple lifestyle adjustments, your cartilage cells can begin to regenerate, easing pain and restoring mobility. Sadly, most of us are missing these very minerals in our daily diet, leading to gradual cartilage wear that often goes unnoticed until it's too late. In this video, we'll explore the nutrients scientifically proven to rebuild cartilage, reduce inflammation, and restore joint flexibility, all naturally, without painkillers or injections. You'll learn which foods to choose, how to combine them for better absorption, and the common mistakes that make supplementation ineffective. And most importantly, I'll share a 4th secret that few people know, a factor that can double your body's ability to rebuild cartilage and slow joint aging. Pay close attention, because just a few simple habits can make a noticeable difference within weeks. Calcium, the foundation of strong bones and healthy cartilage. Calcium isn't just a bone mineral, it's a cornerstone of joint and cartilage health. When calcium levels drop, the cartilage cells, called chondrocytes, lose their ability to regenerate, causing faster cartilage erosion, especially in the knees and hips. That's why many people begin to notice popping sounds or mild pain when standing up after age 45. Interestingly, studies from Harvard Medical School showed that calcium-rich diets not only slow cartilage loss but also help restructure mildly damaged tissue. When cartilage is reinforced, joint surfaces become smoother, friction decreases, and that dull, constant discomfort gradually fades. Calcium acts like biological cement, bonding bones and cartilage together. But to truly work, your body also needs vitamin D and healthy fats for proper absorption. That's why a glass of milk with eggs and butter at breakfast is far more effective than milk alone. Daily food sources to include: 1 cup of milk or calcium-fortified plant milk, approximately 300 milligrams, 1 cup of plain yogurt, 250 milligrams, 1 cup of cooked kale, 180 to 200 milligrams, a small handful of almonds, approximately 75 milligrams. Combining these sources throughout the day can provide nearly half of your daily calcium needs. The rest can come from cheese, sardines, or collard greens. The key is to spread calcium intake across meals rather than consuming it all at once. Since your body can only absorb about 500 milligrams efficiently at a time, one thing I always remind my patients: don't rely entirely on supplements. Calcium from whole foods comes packaged with dozens of supporting micronutrients like magnesium, zinc, and vitamin K2, all of which work together to keep cartilage strong and flexible. If you do take supplements, choose calcium citrate, which is easier to absorb and less likely to cause constipation than calcium carbonate, especially for older adults. Magnesium, the key to fighting inflammation and activating collagen repair. Of calcium is the foundation. Magnesium is the architect that shapes and maintains the structure. This mineral participates in more than 300 biochemical reactions in the body, and when it comes to joint health, its role is crucial. It stimulates collagen production, keeping cartilage flexible and resilient. Research from the University of California shows that people with magnesium-rich diets experienced less joint stiffness and degeneration, because magnesium helps reduce cellular inflammation and soothes swollen or irritated tissues around the joints. Think of it this way: calcium builds the walls, but magnesium keeps those walls flexible so they don't crack under pressure. Without enough magnesium, cartilage becomes rigid and brittle, causing pain and discomfort with every movement. Top magnesium-rich foods to include: cooked spinach, 1 cup, provides approximately 150 milligrams. Pumpkin seeds, 1 ounce, 28 g, provides approximately 150 milligrams. Ripe avocado, 1/2 fruit, provides approximately 60 milligrams. Black beans, sunflower seeds, or dark chocolate, 70% cacao or higher for adults. The recommended intake is 320 to 420 milligrams per day, ideally divided between 2 to 3 meals. Evening is the best time to consume magnesium. It relaxes the muscles, improves sleep quality, and eases morning stiffness. Absorption tips: limit coffee and alcohol, as they deplete magnesium levels in the blood. When cooking greens, lightly steam or saute them with olive oil instead of boiling. This preserves more magnesium. Combine magnesium with calcium and vitamin D to form the golden trio for reducing inflammation and promoting cartilage regeneration. I've seen many patients who, after just 3 to 4 weeks of increasing their magnesium intake naturally, reported nearly 40% less joint pain, better sleep, and the ability to get out of bed in the morning without bracing themselves. That's not a miracle, it's the body finally receiving the right materials to repair itself. Zinc, the repair engineer for cartilage tissue. If calcium is the foundation and magnesium the architect, Then zinc is the repair engineer, the one who restores the worn-out pieces of cartilage over time. Your body needs zinc to activate the enzymes responsible for synthesizing collagen and the structural proteins that make up cartilage and ligaments. When zinc levels are low, the body can't patch up the tiny micro-tears within cartilage. Over the years, those micro-tears turn into cracks, leading to chronic pain and arthritis. According to research from Johns Hopkins University, proper zinc intake can improve joint flexibility and reduce inflammation by up to 30% in people with mild osteoarthritis. But it's not just about adding zinc, it's about doing it the right way. Zinc from animal sources such as lean red meat and oysters is more while plant-based sources like beans, nuts, and grains contain phytates that inhibit absorption. My tip: if you rely on plant sources, soak and cook beans or seeds thoroughly before eating. This removes most of the phytates. Everyday food sources of zinc: 3 ounces 85 grams lean beef, approximately 5 milligrams zinc, 3 medium oysters, approximately 5 milligrams, 1 cup cooked chickpeas, approximately 2.5 milligrams, 1 ounce 28 grams pumpkin seeds, approximately 2 milligrams. Daily requirements: 11 milligrams for men, 8 milligrams for women. I often recommend alternating, one day with animal protein, the next with plant sources. This ensures adequate zinc intake without overdoing it, because exceeding 40 milligrams per day may cause nausea and interfere with copper absorption, which is essential for blood and connective tissue health. One of my favorite meals: a fresh oyster and avocado salad with leafy greens. It delivers zinc plus healthy fats for optimal absorption. For vegetarians, stir-fried chickpeas with vegetables and pumpkin seeds is an excellent option. Resistance band training: a natural medicine for your joints. Nutrition alone isn't enough. Movement is also therapy. Light resistance band exercises stimulate blood flow around the joints, delivering nutrients and minerals directly to the cartilage cells that need them. Each gentle pull acts like a subtle reminder to your body to begin its natural repair process. According to the Mayo Clinic, people who practiced resistance band exercises for 10 to 15 minutes a day over 6 weeks saw a noticeable increase in cartilage density and a significant reduction in joint pain compared to those who didn't exercise. Golden rule: light, slow, consistent. Start with a low resistance band. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. Focus on smooth, controlled motion, never jerk or strain. Helpful exercises: seated leg extensions strengthen thigh muscles and reduce pressure on the knees. Shoulder rotations with a light band improve shoulder flexibility. Chest pulls enhance posture and upper back strength. I once treated a patient named Susan, age 68, who could barely walk 200 meters due to severe knee pain. After 3 months of a mineral-rich diet combined with 15 minutes of daily resistance band training, she was able to walk with her grandson every morning, no cane needed. Her story is living proof that cartilage can heal as long as you give it the right chance. Collagen and vitamin C: the missing piece in cartilage regeneration. Collagen is the biological glue that keeps your cartilage and connective tissues elastic and resilient. However, after the age of 40, the body's natural collagen production drops by about 1% each year, leaving joints dry, stiff, and more prone to pain. Supplementing with type 2 collagen, the main form found in cartilage, has been shown to significantly reduce joint pain and improve mobility. But here's what many people overlook: collagen only works when paired with vitamin C, an essential catalyst in the formation of new collagen fibers. Without vitamin C, your body can't effectively activate or utilize the collagen you consume. Natural sources of collagen and vitamin C include bone broth, salmon eggs, lean chicken, oranges, kiwi, strawberries, and red bell peppers. A simple way to combine them: enjoy a glass of orange juice after a meal containing collagen peptides 5 to 10 grams per day. For older adults, splitting that amount into smaller servings throughout the day helps with absorption and digestion. Interestingly, collagen doesn't just nourish cartilage, it also strengthens ligaments and tendons, giving joints greater stability during movement. This added support helps prevent secondary injuries, something many people miss when they focus only on pain relief. When all the elements work together, what continues to amaze me, even after decades of observing patients, is that the human body always knows how to heal itself, as long as we provide the right materials and the right environment. When calcium builds the foundation, magnesium calms inflammation and activates collagen. Zinc repairs cartilage tissue, gentle movement improves circulation, and collagen plus vitamin C complete the regeneration process. You'll begin to notice real change within just a few weeks. That dull, persistent pain begins to fade. The grinding or cracking in your joints lessens, and mornings become lighter and easier. No heavy painkillers, no invasive procedures, just consistency and a deeper understanding of your body. When it comes to joint health, many people see aging as an unavoidable decline. But after more than 30 years of working with patients, I've learned this: age isn't a sentence, it's an opportunity to understand and care for your body on a deeper level. Our bodies are far more capable than we give them credit for. They're programmed to renew and rebuild cell by cell, layer by layer if we simply give them what they need. By nourishing yourself with the 3 golden minerals, calcium, magnesium, and zinc, and combining them with collagen, vitamin C, and gentle daily movement, you're giving your joints the chance to breathe again, to renew themselves. It's not about magic, and it's not about medicine. It's about unlocking the natural biology of healing that already lives within you. As I always tell my patients, cartilage doesn't wear down overnight, and it doesn't rebuild overnight either. But every smart meal, every careful stretch, every resistance band workout, they're all small bricks rebuilding the foundation of your joint health. Start today. Add a handful of seeds to your lunch, take a short walk after dinner, and most importantly, believe that your body still has an incredible ability to heal. If this video brought you value, share it, because that single act might help someone else finally escape the pain that's been holding them back. And remember, health doesn't come from luck, it comes from the choices you make every day.